Good morning, everyone. It's Lisa with Power Wash Store, Central PA. We are handing over delivery of our latest flatbed build here to Jake from Benjamin's Pro Power Washing out of Boston, Massachusetts. This one has both hot water and cold water capabilities. First here on the truck is our water source. We have two 200-gallon tanks that are installed in a custom aluminum bracing there, so that gives him 400 gallons of water capacity for his pressure washers. The second tanks that you see there, we have an additional 55-gallon tank for water to supply the soft wash system, and then a 55-gallon tank for bleach. You can see up top there, the top of that bleach tank is vented, and we have installed a bleach fill for this tank as well, so you won't have to remove the lid in order to fill your tanks. Down below those other two 55-gallon tanks are the two soap tanks, which you'll be able to switch between two different detergents or degreasers, whatever you may choose. Then we have our hose reels here. We went with two 18s and two 12s. It's kind of due to spacing issues. This truck's going to have some signage on the top half of that bracing that's around the flatbed here, so we had to keep everything below that. So with, that limitation on space here, what we had to do is do two 12s and two 18s. So we have the Titan full frame aluminum electric reels. We have the 3/4 garden hose, two high pressure lines, 6,000 PSI hose, and then a hose reel with your soft washing hose, which is the 5/8 HydroTek. Back here is our air compressor that's going to run our air diaphragm setup for soft washing. Below that, this orange hose is just a tail whip that we put on the pump. So in order to use the soft washing system, you actually have to hook your hose up to that tail whip. So again, this is our compressor. That's a 20 CFM Rolair compressor. On top of the table then, we have installed a remote fuel tank for that compressor. That's a 3-gallon fuel tank. And then the second 3-gallon fuel tank that's sitting up there is for the 8-gallon a minute pressure washer that is installed back here under the table. And then up on the table as well is the AllFlo Air diaphragm pump. That's a 1/2-inch AllFlo Air diaphragm pump for this system. And then over here we have a regulator and a Tsunami air dryer also for that air diaphragm setup. And then of course here our little shiny box, our proportioning system, which will make that all work. Next over here we have a HydroTek hot water machine. This is a 5.5-gallon machine, 3,500 PSI, electric start. Two remote fuel tanks here, one for gas, one for diesel. And then just the back side of the tanks here. We also will be adding a water purification system to this truck. It just hasn't arrived yet, but that will be added in addition here. If you're looking for a custom build, something like this, or maybe something a little bit different, drop-in skid, one of our mini skids, give us a call, 717-378-2276. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.